Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Nissan Maxima, and if you're looking for a gorgeous, super fuel efficient sedan, then you want to check this out. It has remote start, backup camera, and tons more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. I love the kind of fierce angular look of the front end. It kind of reminds me of a sports car, race car maybe. You have your projector beam headlamps, Nissan badge in the middle with some chrome trim, and you also have your accent lamps below that. This has a 3.5 liter engine, which can get you about 30 miles to the gallon on the highway, so that's really fuel efficient. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch wheels, which they have a super cool design on those as well, so very unique. This could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it'll be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. And looking down at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats, super comfortable. I love this stripe pattern down the middle. You also have blue exposed stitching on the sides, really comfortable, power adjustable. And then I want you to look at this little section on the dash. It looks really cool, kind of has a nice pattern on it. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your media controls, your cruise controls, Bluetooth streaming, all of that good stuff right there. And then looking over at your media center, you have your different apps on your home pages here, some of your settings and different things you can subscribe to on there. You also have your audio settings here with all of your presets, your phone settings so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. You also have your settings here for everything else. And this has a backup camera when you're in reverse, so super helpful there. You have a CD insert up top, and then you have your climate controls down below with your LCD display showing your different climate controls on each side really easily. So down here you have a media hub with 2 USB ports and an aux port, and you have 2 cup holders in the middle with your different normal and your sport mode right there, and then different settings for your media center right there. So looking into your center console, lots of room down there, as well as a 12 volt. And then looking up, you have your universal garage door openers. So let's look at the back seat. Okay, so looking at this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have this cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders right there. And then making your way around the side, you have your tail lamps and that nice design that kind of stretch across the sides. You also have your Nissan badge in the middle and dual exhaust. So let's look into the trunk. You do have a power trunk and remote start on your key fob. And then looking into the back here, lots of room for all of your stuff. So overall, great vehicle here. Super sporty looking. Love the unique designs that they put on it. Just the little touches, you know, on the dash and the wheels. But I also love that fuel efficiency. So if you want to see this Nissan or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.